Good day, students. Welcome to this JSS 1 English language lesson on simple sentences, focusing on the subject-verb-object (SVO) structure. A sentence is the basic unit of communication in writing and speech. Understanding how sentences are built, their structure and components, is the foundation of all grammar. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to define a sentence and state its key features, identify the subject, verb, and object in a sentence, distinguish between simple, compound, and complex sentences, identify direct and indirect objects, expand simple sentences with modifiers, and correct common sentence errors such as incomplete sentences. Let us begin. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought. Every sentence must have 1. A subject, who or what the sentence is about. 2. A predicate, what is said about the subject. It includes the verb and its complements. And must begin with a capital letter and end with a full stop, question mark, or exclamation mark. The basic sentence pattern, SVO. Subject, the person, thing, or idea performing the action or being described. Verb, the action word or linking verb that connects the subject to the rest of the sentence. Object, the person or thing receiving the action. Examples. Chidi reads books. Subject, Chidi verb, reads object, books. The teacher explained the lesson. Subject, the teacher verb, explain object, the lesson. Lagos is a busy city. Subject, Lagos linking verb, is complement, a busy city. No object, linking verb connects subject to its description. Types of sentences by structure. Simple sentence, one independent clause, one subject plus one predicate. Example, the children played football. Compound sentence, two or more independent clauses joined by a coordinating conjunction, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so, fanboys. Example, the children played football, and the girls sang songs. Complex sentence, one independent clause plus one or more dependent, subordinate, clauses. Example, although it was raining, the children played football. We focus on simple sentences in this lesson. Compound and complex sentences will be covered in later lessons. Direct and indirect object. Direct object, directly receives the action of the verb. Answers the question, what? Or whom? After the verb. Indirect object, the person or thing for whom or to whom the action is done. Answers to whom? Or for whom? Pattern, subject plus verb plus indirect object plus direct object. Example, Emike gave his sister a book. Gave, verb, his sister, a indirect object, to whom, a book, direct object, what? Example, the teacher sent the student a message. Sent, verb, the student, a indirect object, a message, direct object. Types of sentences by purpose. Declarative, makes a statement. I am a student. Ends with a full stop. Interrogative, asks a question. Are you a student? Ends with a question mark. Imperative, gives a command or instruction. Open your books. May end with full stop or exclamation mark. Subject you is often implied, not stated. Exclamatory, expresses strong emotion. What a wonderful day this is. Ends with exclamation mark. Expanding sentences with modifiers. A simple sentence can be expanded by adding adjectives, modify nouns. The tall, intelligent student won the prize. Tall, intelligent modify student. Adverbs, modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. She spoke clearly and confidently. Clearly, confidently modify spoke. Adverbial phrases, in the morning, the students gathered in the hall. In the morning tells when. Prepositional phrases, the book on the shelf belongs to Addis. On the shelf tells which book. Sentence fragment and run-ons. Sentence fragment, a group of words that looks like a sentence but does not express a complete thought. Example, because it was raining. This is a dependent clause, it cannot stand alone. Fix, because it was raining, we stayed indoors. Run-on sentence, two or more independent clauses joined without proper punctuation. Example, she is clever, she won the prize, should be, she is clever, and she won the prize. Or she is clever. She won the prize. Sentence agreement, subject-verb agreement. The verb must agree with the subject in number, singular/plural. Singular subject, singular verb, the boy runs. She is here. Plural subject, plural verb, the boys run. They are here. Common errors, the team are playing, collective noun, singular verb in formal style, the team is playing. Neither the teacher nor the students was present, wrong, neither the teacher nor the students were present, verb agrees with the nearer noun, students. 3 examination questions. Question 1. Identify the subject, verb, direct object, and indirect object in the school gave the winner a gold medal. Subject, the school. Verb, gave. Indirect object, the winner. Direct object, a gold medal. Question 2. State the type of each sentence and correct any errors. A. Come here immediately. B. She don't understand the question. C. Although he is tired. A. The imperative sentence, correct as is. B. Declarative sentence, error in subject-verb agreement. Correct, she doesn't understand the question. C. This is a sentence fragment, it is a dependent clause with no main clause. Correct, although he is tired, he continued walking. Question 3. Expand these simple sentences by adding modifiers. A. The student read a book. B. Amoka sang. A. The hardworking student quietly read a thick, interesting book in the school library after lunch. B. Amoka, the most talented girl in the class, sang beautifully at the school concert. 3 common mistakes. Mistake 1. Writing sentence fragments as complete sentences. Every sentence must have a subject and a verb that together express a complete thought. Running in the morning has no subject, it is a fragment. Mistake 2. Subject-verb disagreement. She don't is wrong, she doesn't is correct. They was is wrong, they were is correct. He go is wrong, pigeon influence, he goes is correct. Mistake 3. Placing the indirect object after the direct object without a preposition. She gave a book, Emeka is wrong. Correct, she gave Emeka a book, indirect first, no preposition, or she gave a book to Emeka, direct first, preposition to. Both are correct, choose one consistently. Excellent. Summary. A sentence, complete thought, capital start, end punctuation. Basic pattern, subject plus verb, plus object. Direct object, receives the action, what/whom. Indirect object, for/to whom or placed before direct object, or after with to/for. Simple sentence, 1 clause. Compound, 2 clauses plus coordinating conjunction. Complex, 1 main plus 1 dependent clause. Sentence types by purpose, declarative, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory. Subject-verb agreement, verb matches subject in number. Expand sentences with adjectives, adverbs, adverbial/prepositional phrases. Avoid sentence fragments, run-ons, subject-verb disagreement. For homework, A. Write 5 declarative sentences. B. Identify subject, verb, and object in these. She eats mangoes. They built a house. The dog chased the cat. C. Expand. The boy walked. Attempt a quiz on your LMS. Keep studying hard. Visit LightTech Academy at academy.lightech.com.ng for more NERDC-approved lessons. Until next time.